Hey people, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm giving you the camera prompts for AI content creators. And if you want to copy any of them, I've put together a complete HTML file for you to use, and it's been uploaded on my Telegram channel. You can join and use that sheet.
I've gathered around 45 camera movement styles. You can watch them here with example footage, but the full prompts, you copy those from Telegram. Consider this video your visual reference. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Download the HTML file from the Telegram channel, link in the bio. If it was useful, subscribe, like, and comment. Until the next one.